Okay, this is a Yashica TL-Electro camera that I have. It's the front, top, bottom, one side, the other side, and yeah. Show you the glass a little bit first. Take out the battery compartment. So it needs a kind of funny battery. So put inside. The voltage, you need to be very careful because I read that you cannot make it, how to say, you must make sure that it doesn't reach 3 volts. So this battery I use is almost depleted or already depleted battery I use. So it's below 3 volts, about 2 point something volts. You just make sure it's about 2.7 volts. If you reach 3 volts, there's a story online that says that the LED inside the camera burn out due to the battery reaching 3 volts. So you need to be very careful. You need to use depleted era 44 batteries or equivalent to ensure that the voltage is below 3 volts. A bit hard to turn, but yeah. Okay. So let me show you the interface inside the viewfinder. I'll switch to manual focus. So when I press this button here, there's the focus. Okay, anyways, let me change the focus. So when I press this button, the LED inside the viewfinder will light up. See? Let me focus for you. See? It will light up. I don't know for certain what it means, but it shows that it works. So there you go. Besides that, let me turn on the autofocus again. Okay, besides that, let me show you the aperture. Let me show you this one first, the timer, which I always forgot to show. Yeah. Let me show you bulb mode so I can show the aperture as well. Okay, bulb mode with the aperture. So aperture works. Take out the lens. How do I take out the lens? Okay, sorry, I haven't figured out how to take out the lens. Okay, later I show you. Okay. Maybe the lens cannot take out, is it? I'm not sure. Later I'll find out. Okay, let me open this compartment. I'm not sure why I cannot open. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so normal worked just now. Okay, 1 second. Okay, half second. Okay, 1/4. Okay, 108 just now. Now it's 1:15. Now it's 1:30. 1:60. 1:125. 1:250. 1/500. 1/1000. So it works. I'll show you the glass. Oh, it turns out that the lens actually is a M42 lens. Wow, I didn't know. So how you can take out the lens is by unscrewing it like this. And yeah, interesting. So this is the glass. Yashica 51.7.